There's a setting on the iPhone that everyone assumes is designed for privacy, but the reality is that it still sends information to advertisers, even if that information is anonymous. And surprisingly, most users leave it on without even realizing it. Give me a moment and I'll break it down. And just to be clear, switching it off is definitely the better choice. The setting is called Privacy Preserving Ad Measurement, found inside Safari's advanced settings. The name sounds safe and trustworthy, but what it actually does is slightly different. Apple created this feature so ads can still be measured without revealing who you are. It doesn't send personal details like your name, IP address, or Apple ID. Instead, it sends a tiny signal letting advertisers know an ad was viewed or tapped. That's known as anonymous measurement, not full-on tracking. Why does this matter? Because many people believe this option is a strong privacy layer, when in truth, it's more of a compromise between protecting users and supporting advertisers. Apple reduced tracking, but didn't eliminate it entirely. And here are two key things you should know. First, the feature works after you close Safari. The data isn't sent instantly, so it doesn't drain your battery or slow your device, but it still creates a small pathway for limited, anonymous data to go out. Second, turning it off won't change the ads you see. Most ads come from Google, Meta, or Apple's own ad network, and they don't rely on this feature to function. So switching it off won't break anything, won't reduce ads, and won't increase them either. Also keep in mind, this setting has nothing to do with actual tracking protections like cross-site tracking blockers, significant locations, or ad personalization. Those are the settings that truly affect your privacy, and we can talk about them if you want. So if your goal is maximum privacy without any complications, the obvious choice is simply to turn it off. How do you do that? Easy. Go to Settings, Apps, Safari, Advanced Privacy Preserving Ad Measurement, and toggle it off. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and info.